If you're looking for the best shortwave radio in 2026, there are plenty of options designed for everything from everyday listening to emergency preparedness, camping, and receiving weather alerts. In this video, we're looking at 6 shortwave radios with different features, including AM, FM, shortwave, NOAA weather channels, SSB, solar charging, hand cranks, rechargeable batteries, and emergency functions. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Kaito KA500 5-way powered emergency radio. This radio supports AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather broadcasts, making it useful for keeping up with news, entertainment, and severe weather information. One of its biggest advantages is its multiple power options. You can power the radio using its built-in solar panel, hand crank dynamo, batteries, or other available power methods. It also includes a flashlight and reading lamp, which can be extremely useful during power outages or while camping. Pros: AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather reception, multiple power options, solar charging, hand crank power, built-in flashlight, reading lamp, useful for emergencies and camping, compact portable design. Overall, the Kaito KA500 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a simple, reliable emergency radio with multiple charging options. Number 2. Raddy RF919 SSB shortwave radio. The RF919 supports SSB, which is particularly useful for shortwave enthusiasts who want to listen to a wider variety of signals. It covers a broad range of frequencies, including NOAA weather broadcasts, and also supports AIR, CB, and UHF bands. Another highlight is the built-in 5,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, which provides portable power for extended listening. The radio also features an antenna tuner and 3 external antenna ports, giving users more flexibility when trying to improve reception. Pros: SSB support, wide frequency coverage, NOAA weather reception, AIR, CB, and UHF support, 5,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, antenna tuner, 3 external antenna ports. Good choice for radio enthusiasts. Overall, the RF919 is a strong choice for shortwave enthusiasts who want more advanced tuning and antenna options. Number 3. Solar Radio Emergency Hand Crank 12,000 milliamps. This 12,000 milliamp solar-powered emergency radio, designed primarily for emergency preparedness, outdoor activities, and power outages. One of its biggest advantages is the large 12,000 milliamp battery, which can provide substantial portable power compared with smaller emergency radios. It supports AM, FM, and NOAA weather broadcasts and can be charged using solar power or the built-in hand crank. For emergencies, it includes a 2-mode LED flashlight and an SOS alarm. It can also be used to charge compatible mobile devices through its USB outputs. Pros: large 12,000 milliamp battery, AM, FM, and NOAA reception, solar charging, hand crank charging, 2-mode LED flashlight, SOS alarm, phone charging capability, useful for camping and emergencies. Overall, this radio is a good option if your priority is emergency preparedness and having a large built-in battery for backup power. Number 4. Raddy RF320 App Control Shortwave Radio. An interesting choice for users who want broadband coverage and app-based control. The RF320 supports multiple bands, including AIR, FM, AM, VHF, shortwave, and weather band. It comes with a 9.85-foot wire antenna, which can be particularly useful for improving shortwave reception in suitable environments. The radio also includes a rechargeable battery and app control, giving you another way to manage the receiver. Pros: broadband coverage, AIR, FM, AM, VHF, shortwave, and weather band support. App control includes a long wire antenna, rechargeable battery, portable design. Overall, the RF320 is a good choice for listeners who want a modern shortwave radio with broad frequency coverage and smartphone control. Number 5. XHDTA D080 Portable Shortwave Radio. A popular style of portable multiband receiver designed for serious radio listening. This radio supports AM, FM, shortwave, and longwave, along with an airband for aviation-related listening. It also supports SSB and RDS, giving radio enthusiasts additional information and tuning capabilities. The D808 features a digital LCD display, built-in speaker, alarm clock functionality, and support for an external antenna. Because of its combination of portability and broad reception capabilities, it's a particularly interesting option for users who want more than a basic emergency radio. Pros: AM, FM, shortwave, SW and LW reception, airband support, SSB capability, RDS support, digital LCD display, external antenna support, portable design, built-in speaker, alarm clock functionality. Overall, the XHDTA D080 is a strong option for radio hobbyists who want a compact receiver with broadband coverage and SSB support. Number 6. Portable Shortwave Emergency Radio. This portable shortwave emergency radio combines radio reception with several useful survival and outdoor features. It supports NOAA, shortwave, AM, and FM reception, while also functioning as a Bluetooth speaker with TF card playback. For emergency situations, it includes solar charging and a hand crank, along with a flashlight, SOS alarm, weather alerts, and phone charging capability. This makes it particularly suitable for camping, hiking, travel, power outages, and emergency preparedness. Pros: shortwave, AM, FM, and NOAA support, Bluetooth speaker functionality, TF card playback, solar charging, hand crank charging, built-in flashlight, SOS alarm, weather alerts, phone charging capability. Overall, this is a practical choice if you're looking for an all-in-one emergency radio with entertainment, lighting, charging, and weather alert features. So, which shortwave radio should you choose? If you want a reliable emergency radio with multiple power options, the Kaito KA500 is an excellent place to start. If you're a shortwave enthusiast looking for SSB, antenna tuning, and broadband coverage, the Raddy RF919 is a more advanced option. For emergency preparedness with a large battery, the 12,000 mAh solar and hand crank radio is worth considering. If you want app control and broad frequency coverage, the RF320 is an interesting choice. For serious portable radio listening with SSB, airband, and multiple frequency ranges, the XHDTA D080 is a strong option. And if you want an all-in-one emergency radio with Bluetooth, solar charging, hand crank, flashlight, SOS, and phone charging, the final option offers plenty of useful features. Ultimately, the best shortwave radio depends on what matters most to you: radio reception, emergency preparedness, portability, battery life, or advanced tuning features. Thanks for watching.